All processes that attract a payment will have a system-generated invoice as well as the accepted payment channels to be used. As such, you should not make any additional payments to facilitate the processing of your application. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ardhisasa tutorial on the renewal of professional accounts. Upgraded accounts are to be annually renewed to capture the current version of your practicing certificate. Kindly note that to renew your professional account, you need to have upgraded your private account. For more information on account registration and upgrades on Ardhisasa, kindly view our YouTube tutorial explaining the same through the link featured in this video's description. To begin with, you will log into the platform. You'll be required to enter your Ardhisasa user credentials. That is, the identification number or the Ardhisasa ID, the password you used when creating your account, and then click Continue. You'll be provided with a one-time password code which will be sent to the phone number or email you used to register with on the platform. Once you have received the OTP, type the code onto the OTP prompt box and then click Login. On the menu bar on the left-hand side, you will click on Account. Upon doing so, you'll be navigated to the Account Settings page. Here, we have 4 tabs, namely Account Details, Update Settings, Upgrade Account, and Account Activity. The Account Details tab lists profile information, security questions, signature, and identification documents. The Update Settings tab enables the user to change the account's password, while the Upgrade Account tab enables relevant professionals to upgrade or renew their accounts. Lastly, the Account Activity tab lists updates done on your account. To proceed, go ahead and click on the Upgrade Account tab. You'll be navigated to the Upgrade Account page. This page lists all past applications made to upgrade or renew from a private to a professional account. The lists are categorized by the type of profession, date added, status, and the action needed on the application. The pending status indicates that the application is awaiting feedback from the ministry staff, while the approved status indicates that the application was successful. However, the case of a rejected status indicates that the application was unsuccessful. Account upgrades and renewals can be rejected because of the issues such as the wrong format of the registration, admission, or license number. Your application can also be rejected because of outdated documents such as a former practicing certificate. Kindly know that upgraded accounts must be renewed to capture the current practicing certificate. When the timeline for obtaining new practicing certificates has lapsed, all professional accounts get deactivated and the user is notified of the same. At this point, the professional will be required to make an application to have their account upgraded. To renew your account, click on the View button. You will then be navigated to the Details page. Here, you will see the application status, request details, and the list of details made on your previous application. To launch the application, click on the Renew button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. A pop-up box will appear asking you to upload your current practicing certificate. Click on the Upload button to select the document from your machine. Next, enter your registration, admission, or license number as stated in your practicing certificate. A pop-up box will be displayed to confirm successful application creation. Click on the Close button to go back to the Account Upgrade page. Refresh your page and click on the View button to go through your application details. As you can see, the newly made application is pending. The pending status indicates that the application is awaiting action from the relevant department. Immediately after the review of your application, a response will be forwarded and you will receive a notification on your account. Click on the notification bell to view the response. Alternatively, you can go back to the Upgrade Account page, click on the View button, and you will be navigated to the details of your application. If the status shows Approved, the new practicing certificate will be approved and your transactions from the current year can be processed. In case of a rejection, reasons for the same will be visible in the comment section. That's it for this tutorial on the professional account renewal application on Ardhisasa platform. Feel free to give feedback on this tutorial in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button alongside the subscribe button to get notifications on new videos as and when we post them. Kindly follow us on our social media handles as well, at Ardhisasa_KE on Twitter and Instagram, and at Ardhisasa on Facebook. Thanks for watching and goodbye.